Headphone stores and factories don't want you to know about this hack. And this is why they don't, folks. Check this out. The thing is, this problem always happens right here in this part of the headphones or earpieces. They start afraid, and then this is what happens. First, your headphone starts to malfunction. Then, one side stops working, and finally, it stops working completely. And you know why, folks? This earpiece right here is original. It's quite expensive, and the sound quality is very good. However, the material that covers the wires is of poor quality. It is actually quite fragile. And of course, this is on purpose, so that the product stops working and you have to buy new ones. And now there are cell phones that don't even come with new earpieces anymore. So now I'm gonna show you a way to avoid this problem in the future and stop spending money on new headphones once for all. And in addition to that, spending almost nothing. So guys, I have these earpieces here, and as you can see, they're original from my cell phone. And as I said, it starts to fray right here. And if you don't fix this now, soon they'll start to malfunction. And for that, we're gonna use these heat shrink tubes. As it says here, it insulates and seals electrical connections. And this is pretty easy to find, basically at any material supply store. However, if you can't find it, if you live in a small town or something, you can buy it online. This package here, for instance, comes with 15 of them and it's pretty cheap. So I think it's totally worth it. However, folks, we're only gonna need one, and it comes in different colors. I'm gonna take this one. Okay, I think it'll be nice. And there are also different sizes, which are 4, 6, 9, and if I'm not mistaken, 12. For the earpieces, it's not that big, so let's use this one. You'll need the 6mm. This one will do the job. So this is what you're gonna do. As it is frayed here, let's first measure it. I'll put it here, making sure to cover a little piece of the cable as well. This side is great, let's cut it. And as you can see, even though it's the ideal size for the cable, it doesn't go through the connector. So just take a pair of scissors or any other objective one, and then you're gonna open it a little bit so we can pass it through the connector. Okay, now it's perfect. We can pass it with ease. So let's position it right here, taking a little bit of the connector and a little bit of the cable as well. Okay, that's great. And here it's gonna be wide, so just go ahead and grab a lighter. And we're gonna run it quickly under the cable. And you'll notice it's gonna start shrinking. Pass it quickly so you don't burn the cable. See? It gets little burn marks here, but just rub your fingers and it comes off. Now, just keep doing it until it's tight enough. And check how it looks, guys. Way more protected, doesn't it? And to make it even safer, I'm gonna put another piece covering this part right here. Because this way, it's gonna be much more resistant and last longer. And for this, we need a piece about this size. Let's go ahead and repeat the same process here. I'm gonna pass it through the connector, but this one I'm gonna put a little lower in order to make it better sealed. And here it is, folks. It will stay like this. Now you can use your earpieces without worry, because from now on, it will never tear near the connector again. Also, as these tubes isolate electrical connections, if you got headphones or earpieces working only one side or something like this, following this process will surely solve your problem. But if you just got yourself new ones, you can do this instead. Once you buy new headphones, don't wait for it to happen. Go ahead and do this already. This one right here, it's brand new. My girlfriend just bought them. So I'm gonna do it too because they'll surely last much longer. And check this out, guys. I made it on hers with the yellow one and it looks pretty nice. And as we can see here, it can also give your earpiece a decorative touch. You can go ahead and pick your favorite color for that. So that's it, folks. Do it at home because I'm sure you're gonna love the results.